Hello, this is a quick video to share how the staking works. Um, to get to our staking platform, you have to go to seekswap.co. This is our decentralized exchange slash DEX, which stands for decentralized exchange. Okay, so when you come to seekswap.co, you're going to have to look onto the left and click on stake. It's going to take you to another page where you can stake from. You'll have to connect your MetaMask or your Trust wallet or any decentralized wallet that you're using with this platform. This is a smart contract, so you have to use a decentralized. Okay, good. Now, within the staking platform, is going to give you this interface that lets you know the total number of the value of the current staking, alongside of that, the number of coins staked. Additionally, the number of stakers. You're going to scroll down to the very bottom or middle, I'm sorry. And let's say you have 10,000 coins you want to stake. You're going to click in 10,000. And then you're going to choose the number of days that you want to stake for. The starting point is 90 days. You have also 180 days, which is 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 years, and 2 years. Those are the options of your staking. So go back to 3 months. If you stake 10,000 coins for 3 months, you will end up at the maturity date with 10,375. So in this instance, you would have gained 375 coins for 3 months at 10,000 coins. For 6 months, you're looking at 10,825. For 1 year, you're looking at 11,800. So again, if you stake your 10,000 coins for 1 year, that means they're being locked up for 1 year. You would have earned 1,800 additional coins for the 1 year. If you do it for a year and a half, you're earning 12,925. And if you do it for 2 years, you're earning an additional 4,200 coins. So this is the different staking commitments you can make. And if you choose any one of these, this is what you'll get if you started with 10,000. You can stake 100, you can stake a million, you can stake 10 coins. It really doesn't matter. And whichever you choose, based on the time that you choose, they'll give you the specific return. So if you chose, let's say, to stake 10 coins for 2 years, you'll end up with 14.2 coins. So that is how the staking works. To give you a much more definitive example, I'm going to go through the process with you. So I'm going to stake 100 coins, and I'm going to do it for 2 years. I'm going to click on stake now. The system is going to connect and allow me to then pull the coins out of my wallet and put it into this contract. So again, this is the staking. I'm going to go ahead and verify, approve. And at the end of the stake, I'm going to go and show you on the ledger that I've staked these 100 coins for the period of time that I just described. Click confirm. This process now will move the coins from my wallet and put it into it. It was successful. So now that it was successful, I'm going to scroll down and show you the specific staking. Okay. Okay, here it is. I need to refresh. So I staked 100 coins, and the reward amount is going to be 42, and it's for a period of 2 years. So I started on the 13th of October, and then on 222, by October 225, it will mature. If I want to, I can unstake the coins earlier than the commitment time. And if I do so, I simply do not get the rewards. So let's say I leave my coins into 3 months and then I decide I need them back, and I can get them back. In doing so, the penalty that I'll receive is, had I gained, let's say, 12, 20 coins toward the rewards, I would then lose the 20 coins. So you can unstake at any time, get your coins back. And once your coins have matured, you can claim them. And when you claim them, you get the coin and the reward amounts. Alrighty, this is how the staking works. Hope it's clear. It is staggered to where, let me just make this clear. It is staggered to where you can do 90 days, 180 days, 365, 540, and 730 days. Thank you very much. Hope this helps.